Now, when we talk about our weather for this week, things are looking a lot calmer as far as temperatures go. We're not going to be sweating as much. I see I'm wearing a sweatshirt to kind of imply the fact that we may need a sweatshirt as we head into the overnight hours, but I'm always on the colder side, so maybe that's just me. When we look at temperatures, we will see highs back in the upper 80s, lows now in the mid to upper 60s. So we'll see some overnight relief. You may be able to open up your window as we head into the overnight hours to kind of cool things off and to give your AC a break. Now, when we look at rain chances, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we look okay. There could be just an isolated shower that pops up because of midday heating, but other than that, we don't see any risk for thunderstorms or anything like that. It's when we head into the latter part of the week that we see the potential for maybe a stronger storm within that and some heavier downpours on Thursday night into Friday morning. We may hear some pops of thunder and see some lightning with that. And again, we can't rule out the potential of a strong, severe storm within that. And this does look to be a little bit more widespread, which is the good news because some places have seen a lot of rain while other places, especially in the Wabash Valley area, haven't seen that much and they're borderline on those drought conditions. So we definitely do need some more widespread rain. This is looking to bring anywhere from an inch to an inch and a half. Again, some places maybe see a little bit less than that. But overall, we are looking at some widespread rain there Thursday evening into Friday morning, and it'll linger into Friday afternoon with maybe some pop-up showers. As we look into the weekend, it's hard to pinpoint the direct timing on things, but we could see maybe some showers there on Saturday morning. Now, the last thing I want to talk about is a little bit of long-range forecasting, and I want to catch it before some other weather people start talking about it and maybe blowing it out of proportion. I look at two long-range forecasting models, the GFS and the Euro. They are telling completely different stories as we get into the middle part of July. One of them is showing this giant heat wave coming through once we get to about July 15th, 16th, 17th, and it's showing temperatures skyrocketing back up into the 90s and potentially 100 as the air temp. Now, the other model, the GFS, is showing a lot more of a downgraded version, maybe popping up into the 90s for a couple of days, but it's not showing nearly that heat wave that the Euro is wanting to show. So I just want to kind of go out and say that right now before you start seeing it on a bunch of people's pages about, oh, a big warm up is happening. The Climate Prediction Center is forecasting the likely above for temperatures, but overall it's not highlighting it to be in specifically this area. So I just wanted to come out and say that not all signs are pointing towards this giant heat wave coming in the middle part of July. Some of the models are, but some of the models are not. But just focusing just on this week, we are going to see, again, a little bit of a cool down in temperatures, and we see some rain coming in.